Hello everyone. Today what I'm going to try to do is fix a mould that was ruined. Got a couple of holes and a couple of cracks when I tried to demould this piece here. Now I'm not sure if it was because of glass that was there or whether it was the torch that caused it, but I'm going to see if I can fix it by putting a silicone bottle. Even though I have, prior to starting, I've actually used a bit of silicone sealant in the hole and the cracks, but I'd like a smooth finish, so I just thought I'd experiment and see if this works. I'm using artsil, and it's you use equal parts, 1-to-1. So this is from Just Resin. It's enough. I've mixed up 60 grams of each, and I've stirred it for 3 minutes. I'll pour it now. I'm hoping I don't wreck this mould. Okay, I've got some bubbles in here as well, which I'll have to try and get out with the torch, but let's pour it and see how we go.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
So here we are again, and I wanted to show you the finished result. It's turned out really well. I'm very happy with it, really happy actually. It's turned out really good on the sides, and yeah, the finish is really good too. There's the back of it where you can see where the holes and the cracks, and they've all been sealed up beautifully, so the mould is now ready to use again. So there you go. If you want to fix your mould, silicone to silicone, very easy. Have a go. Thanks for watching. Bye.